Welcome back on my channel, or hello if you are new. This is the first video of my winter car. I bought a Suzuki Wagon R Plus because it's not the Kaika version. It's a facelift model in Europe with a 1.3 liter and 94 horsepower Suzuki engine. I got it for 2,000 euros, so I really love that small guy, but it looks a little bit empty and not as JDM as I want on this side. So I decided to buy a very cheap rear wing, and I remembered that I have some carbon fiber downstairs. So why not putting a carbon fiber ring on a 2,000 bucks car for the winter? I want to laminate it with carbon fiber because a JDM car needs a carbon fiber wing. One problem, because the wing is wider than my fiber, and this means I try to laminate it until here and then do the edge separately, or I will do the upper side and the downside separately. This depends a little bit on how many fiber I have and if I can manage it to sand it here and do something like a stripe on it, so that you don't see the structure goes into the other structure. Clean it, sand it, clean it, paint it. And laminate it. So I decided to do it in 4 pieces. At first I do the inlay or the downside of the wing, and at the second you see these 2 pieces for the corners, left and right, and the last of it is this big one, because when I put the biggest part at last, then I have a very nice top layer, because when this looks a little bit shitty, I can sand it down and put the big one on it, so the edges are underneath the other one, and I think that's the best way. So next day now, you can see it dried 24 hours and it looks really cool. So laminating is way easier, or it looks like it's way easier than do the whole part of carbon fiber. Now I build a system so it can move in this direction, because I need to laminate this part and this part. So I put it on like this, and therefore it should stand this way. And you see a little bit of resin is already on it, so I need to sand it a little bit. After that I will cut the whole line here on the edge, and then we do this side, of course. So the middle is ready, and now we have the sides, which look really messy right now, but when you look on the other side, here you can see the carbon carbon fiber part, the two edges. And in the next step we will do the middle part. If this project will be a success and how it fit to the Suzuki Wagon R, I will show you in the next video, so stay tuned and thank you for watching.